y'all, how y'all doing? As promised, I'm doing a cleaning video this week, and it's gonna be my pantry. It's not too bad because I did have to clean off the worst shelf at Christmas time to make room for Christmas food. And so I'm just gonna take everything off one shelf at a time and wipe it down and put stuff back and throw away a few things that I know is expired or old. This is gonna be in my See No Evil series because it's inside the pantry, so you don't normally see it, but I know it's there, so I'm cleaning it. And I haven't took down all of my Christmas decor yet. I've took down maybe 3/4 of it. Oh, how y'all like my hair? I did the brown today. I'm tired of it being half blonde and half brown, so I put the brown on it finally. I like it. Nice change. But I haven't took down but about 3/4 of my Christmas decor yet. So if you see my tree or something in the background, that's why. And I'm gonna be using this Christmas tote to set the food on. And I'm fixing to flip you around and show you where we stand on how the pantry looks. Okay, so basically this is the top of my pantry. I've got some stuff sitting on. These are some of the few little Coca-Cola things that I decided to keep that people bought for me. I've got my dog's heartworm medicine up there. I've still got to get some for Gypsy and Mila. They go back in a couple of weeks for their other shots, and they'll get some then. But little It's a Wonderful Life Coca-Cola set back there, some honey, little candle holders. If I ever get a kitchen table again, I'm gonna put these little candle holders on the kitchen table. That's where I used to keep them. And this is my stuff for the dogs, stuff they're not supposed to have, stuff they can have and can't have. And this is my little pantry. It's nothing fancy. This house does not have one of the closet pantries that I'm used to having. So inside here, I normally just keep mostly our snacks and some things like rice or pancake mix, whatever sugars and oils we need, stuff like that. And I use my cabinets to put my canned goods and most of my box goods and stuff in. So it's not going to be too hard to clean out today. Looks like the hardest part's going to be that this door don't want to stay open, so I'll have to figure that one out. Let's get started, y'all. Stick these in my peppermint. Y'all, I'm tearing the tops off of these boxes because I just can't stand the box tops being in the way when we're trying to get a snack out. It's just so much easier if the tops are off and then you can just pull it out. And also, I've got saved in my Amazon list as soon as I can these clear little trays that I can buy to put in the pantry and eliminate all of these boxes. I'm gonna trash these. Trash. This is sugar that I borrowed from my neighbor. I think it was Thanksgiving because I needed sugar for something, just a little bit of sugar, and we don't buy sugar. And I forgot to buy any. I usually buy some for the holidays, but I forgot. Trash, trash. Trash. Snicker bar nobody ever ate. I'm gonna trash that. And just one thing of popcorn left, so trash this box. Now, powdered sugar is something I use even more around the holidays, but I will use it for a few random things throughout the year. This is trash. I don't even know how old this is. Blueberry pancake mix. Okay, here's a few things that I trashed that was old, and some of it was almost empty anyway. A little bit cleaner than it was. This thing is so old. I'm hoping to one day get a better pantry cabinet. And I know it looks a little empty, but grocery day is in 3 days, so I'll stock some of it back up then. Like I said, this is not all of our food anyway. This is just snacks and basically baking items and stuff like that. Kind of washed the inside of the doors too the best I could. Okay, that's about it for today's video. That was a nice little, it's late at night. It's like midnight. I just got off work, so little late night cleanup. And I think next week I've already pulled some stuff that looks more wintry than Christmassy, or it could be for both. I'm gonna do like a little winter decorate with me for next week. I hope y'all will enjoy that. And we will see you next week. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? As promised, I'm doing a cleaning video this week.